Hello everyone. So this is a question number 6 from 9709, paper 5-1, October, November 2023. All right. A social club has 15 members, of whom 8 are men and 7 are women. The committee of the club consists of 5 of its members. Okay. Find the number of different ways in which the committee can be formed from 15 members if it includes more men than women. So this is a selection question. So this means that we have to use the combinations over here. So more men than women, and we need to select 5 of its members. So this means that if we need to select 5 members, then one choice is that we have all 5 men. We could have 4 men, 1 woman. We could have 3 men, 2 women, and any other choices will have either equal men or equal women or less men than women. So let's figure out their combinations. So for 5 men, since I just have 8 men, so 8C5, 4 men, 1 woman, so 8C4 times by 7C1, 8C3 times by 7C2. Right, so let's just simply calculate that. So 8C5 is basically equal to 56. 8C4 times by 7C1, that is 490. And 7C2 and 8C3, that is 1176. So plus 490 plus 56, that is 1722 number of ways. Okay, all right. Now the B part. 15 members are having their photograph taken. They stand in 3 rows with 3 people in the front row, 5 people in the middle row, and 7 people in the back row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. In how many different ways can the 15 members of the club be divided into a group of 3, a group of 5, and a group of 7? Now we have 15 members, so for the first 7 back row, 15C7. And now since 7 people have been selected, 8 people are left, so 8C5. And then how many people are left? 3 people, so 3C3. Since there's a keyword over here and, so we need them all at the same time. So we need to multiply them together. So 15C7 times by 8C5 times by 3C3. And that is equal to 360,360. Right, moving on. In one photograph, Abel, Betty, Callie, Doug, Eve, Freya, Gino are 7 members in the back row. In how many different ways can these 7 members be arranged so that Abel and Betty are next to each other and Freya and Gino are not next to each other? So, okay, so 1, 2, 3. How many are without any problem? So we have Callie, we have Doug, we have Eve. And Abel and Betty are in one group, right? So this means that up until now, how many groups do we have? We have 4 units, times by, since we have two different people over here, so their internal permutation can change also. And now we need to place Freya and Gino such that they are not next to each other. So how many choices of places do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in 5, so we have 5 possible places, and we need to arrange for 2 of them. So 5p2. So 4 factorial times by 2 times by 5 p2, that is equal to 960. Right. Okay. All right. And that's the end of the question. All right. So see you in the next paper. Bye bye.